Hello and welcome back to my channel, Dr.Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video, we'll try to understand what are short-term career goals and long-term career goals. Okay, we have understood already in the previous video that an average man spends around 90,000 hours working for the career that he has chosen for himself. So that is the importance of having a career and career goal and making decisions for careers. Okay, it's not a hasty decision. It's not you cannot make career decisions to impress somebody else or because someone else has chosen a particular career. So you are also doing that. It is not going to be that way. Your career decision is very important for your life, because as I told you, you're going to spend around 90,000 hours working towards your career or working for something you have chosen as a career. So in order to choose a particular career for yourself, you need to also have certain short term and long term career goals. Okay, now what are these short term career goals? Short-term career goals are the milestones. Those are the milestones you have to achieve so that you can reach your long-term career goal. Right? With an example, we can understand it better. Say, for example, your long-term career goal is to become a manager in an MNC. That is the career goal that you have set for yourself. Okay, after say in a span of say 5 to 10 years, you want to see yourself as a manager for an MNC. That is your long-term career goal. So now you're not going to take one big leap or one big jump and become you're a manager in an MNC. That is not going to happen because you have set that as your long-term career goal. No MNC is going to come to you tomorrow morning and give you the appointment letter of a manager, that you are a manager working for their MNC. That is not going to happen. You have to make that journey. You have to go through that process. And in that journey, in that process, you have to achieve one by one. You have to set many short-term objectives or short-term goals for yourself, and you have to keep on achieving those short-term goals one by one so that you finally reach your destination. You finally reach your long-term career goal of becoming a manager in an MNC. Now, what can be those short-term goals that you can set for yourself to reach your long-term goal, which is becoming a manager for an MNC? Let us see. The first short-term goal can be something like getting admission into an excellent business school, because your long-term career goal is to become a manager in a renowned MNC. And for that, what you have to achieve in the first place is to get into a very good business school so that you can get that business degree, or so that you get qualified to make your attempt of becoming a manager in an MNC. Okay, so that should be your first short-term goal which you have to achieve. Okay, and next, passing out with good grades from that B school, graduating with very good grades. That is your next short-term goal. If you observe, all these goals are, short-term. In a span of year or year and a half or 2 years, you are going to graduate, you are going to get qualified to become a manager in first place. Okay, so these are short-term goals which you can achieve one by one, so that slowly you progress towards your long-term career goal. Okay, and next short-term career goal can be getting an internship at a renowned company. When you become an intern, you gain lot of first-hand information about how business runs. what are the different facets of business, what are the different angles or the different decisions, different departments, the entire environment of a business organization. You get all the first hand information when you uh, achieve this short term goal of getting an internship in a renowned company. Okay, and the next short term goal can be volunteering at a startup. Okay, so that can be your another short term goal in the journey of achieving your long term career goal. Okay, volunteering uh, to help or to assist in a startup, say of your friend or anybody's startup. If you volunteer to help or to go through that process of starting a startup and running a business, then you get lots and lots of first hand information, first hand experience in running a business. Okay, that will help you in getting equipped with the necessary experience and necessary knowledge, first hand knowledge, not just bookish knowledge. Okay, so that you can make a successful progression towards your final goal or your long term goal of becoming a manager in a MNC. Okay, and another short term goal can be developing networks. Very, very important these days on social media or social platforms or real time networks, connecting with right kind of people, being in right places, being attending business get-togethers or business things like where you can meet right people, where you can give your resume or promote yourself as the right fit or the right candidate for a particular position, things like that. You gain lots of experience from them, right? So that can be your logical short term goal, having setting up or being a part of the right network and connecting with the right kind of people. Okay, so these can be your short term goals which you can achieve one by one in really short term, so that you can make a progress towards your long term goal. Okay, so with these short term goals and long term goals, you can actually set smart goals for yourself, smart career goals for yourself. Now, what are the smart career goals, how to achieve them, how to set them, we can discuss in another video. Okay, thank you.